How to fix Telegram bot not working. Everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you're going to do is make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Then go to the Play Store application and search for Telegram application. Make sure that you have a latest version and updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Telegram application over here. Then tap on the app info option and it will lead you to a new page over here. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right of the screen. So just tap on that and you can clear cache. You can also delete the data if you can. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for Telegram. And then now just go and check on Telegram if it's working or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.